Compute the summations and products in 19 through 28. So for 21, we have a summation from k equals 1 to 3 of k squared plus 1. So the way I think of a summation is I think of this as a for loop. If you're familiar with computer science, you can think of the summation part as a for loop where the index variable varies from 1 to 3. And each time we iterate through this for loop, we're adding this term to our total summation. And if you notice, the formula is in terms of the index variable k. So let's start with k equals 1. What I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in 1 into this formula here. So my first term will be 1 squared plus 1. Then I'm going to add that to the second term. And when we iterate through this for loop or through this summation, my index variable k increments by 1. So in the last term, k equals 1 was the index variable. In this term, k equals 2 for our index variable, which means that the term that we're adding is 2 squared plus 1. And then the next term is 3 squared plus 1. And then the top of this summation gives us the number 3, which tells us when to stop our summation. So our last term will be 3 squared plus 1. And lastly, we just have to figure out what this number is. This is 1 plus 1, which is 2. This is 4 plus 1, which is 5. And this is 9 plus 1, which is 10. So altogether, we get 17. Thanks, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.